Imagine a school frozen in time, its academic heart beating in buildings untouched since the roaring 20s. That was Little Rock Central High School until now. After nearly a century, this historic institution has finally welcomed its first new academic building, a gleaming science wing that promises to catapult its students into the future. The excitement was palpable as the Tiger community, alongside local media, gathered for the ribbon-cutting ceremony. This 67,000-square-foot marvel isn't just a building. It's a testament to the school's commitment to academic excellence. With 3 floors dedicated to chemistry, biology, physics, robotics, and horticulture, it's a space designed to inspire the next generation of innovators. But here's where it gets even more impressive. The building boasts a 200-seat lecture hall, a rooftop patio classroom, and a robotics lab that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Principal Nancy Rousseau summed it up perfectly. We never dreamed we'd have spaces like this. And this is the part most people miss. The architectural challenge of blending the new with the old. Head architect Sarah Bennings revealed that the team meticulously sourced the exact same brick blend from Acme brick used in the original 1927 building, ensuring the science wing seamlessly integrates with the school's historic aesthetic. It's a nod to the past while boldly stepping into the future. Before this state-of-the-art addition, students and teachers relied on portable buildings for 25 years, a makeshift solution that Superintendent Dr. Jermall Wright described as almost like a portable campus. Now, those eyesores are gone, replaced by a permanent structure that symbolizes progress. We're thrilled to have those portables gone and away forever, Wright declared. But the transformation doesn't stop there. In October, a 58,000-square-foot field house opened its doors, giving students access to top-tier athletic facilities for the first time in a full school year. Together, these projects mark Central High's first major expansion in over 5 decades, a dream come true for Rousseau, who's been championing this vision since 2002. Here's the controversial question. Can a historic school truly modernize without losing its soul? Some argue that new buildings might overshadow the institution's storied past, while others believe they're essential for fostering innovation. What do you think? Does progress require sacrifice, or can tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously? Let's debate in the comments. As students fill the halls of the new science building, it's clear that Little Rock Central High School isn't just preserving history. It's making it. And with spaces like these, the future looks brighter than ever.